Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My dear students, my dear audience, today I just want to change a little bit, a new topic. Most of the students always listen about 90% marks, 100% marks, first position, highest grades and so on. Today I want to share something about truth about failure. Paulo said, there is only one thing that makes a dream impossible. Paulo said, there is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve, the fear of failure. Now I'll tell you the truth about failure. Please listen it very carefully. Those students, those my fellows, those my audience, they're having a lot of fears in their minds about failure. So what is the truth about failure? It does mean you haven't succeeded yet. Failure doesn't mean you have accomplished nothing. It does mean you have learned something. Failure doesn't mean you have been a fool. It does mean you had a lot of faith. Failure doesn't mean you have been disgraced. It does mean you are willing to try. Failure doesn't mean you don't have it. It does mean you have to do something in a different way. Failure doesn't mean you are inferior. It does mean you are not perfect. Failure doesn't mean you have wasted your life. It does mean you have got a reason to start afresh. Failure doesn't mean you should give up. It does mean you should try harder. Failure doesn't mean you will never make it. It does mean it will take a little longer. Failure doesn't mean Almighty Allah has abandoned you. It does mean Almighty Allah has a better idea. So my dear students, it is said that the biggest enemy of the success, fear of failure. So when fear knocks at your door, send courage to open the door and success will wait for you. We learn from failure, not from success. Success is a ladder. You cannot climb with your hands in your pockets. So whether success or failure, truth of life really has little to do with the quality. The quality of life is proportional to the capacity of delight. The capacity for delight is the gift of paying attention. So my dear students, at the end I just summarize what is the message today in this little bit message, little bit words about it, fear of failure. Iqbal said, नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, नहीं तेरा नशेमन कसरे सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों में।